You don't see no monster trucks. Oh no, you want everything. Come on. Yep. Let's see if they got a G.I. Joe for Daddy. A what? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Is it too much for Daddy to ask for? Uh, yeah. Be nice if Daddy could get the G.I. Joe he want. Yeah, they don't have the G.I. Joe that Daddy need though. Daddy gotta go to a big boy toy store to find it probably. Hmm? I don't know. Look like something that's not that cool though. Come here, little man. Yeah. Oh, on the next aisle. Hmm? Oh, Daddy. I don't know where. Let's see. All right. Ooh. They always got the worst toys in here for the big boy toys. Uh-oh. What? Nope, that's not there.
Hey, Dad.
You'll never have what Daddy needs.